The Starlink Gen 3 kit offers an advanced satellite dish that provides high-speed, low-latency internet, making it an excellent choice for rural areas and remote homes. Equipped with a dual-band Wi-Fi 6 router, this kit ensures stronger coverage and faster speeds for multiple devices, enhancing the internet experience. The setup process is straightforward, as the Starlink Gen 3 kit comes with all necessary cables and mounts, allowing users to get online in just a few minutes. Built to withstand harsh weather conditions, the Starlink Gen 3 kit is designed to deliver reliable connectivity throughout the year, even in extreme environments. This kit is especially beneficial for those living off-grid or in rural settings, providing a dependable high-speed internet solution for cabins, RVs, and remote households. Manufactured by SpaceX, the Starlink Gen 3 kit represents a cutting-edge solution for satellite internet, offering robust performance and modern technology.